Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do this mission, which is called making the news. So let's get started. You will need to do 8 flip tricks and grind distance 30 meters and get total score 5000 in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. Here you can grind those objects and do flip tricks. Here's the rails, for example. Okay, let's try again. Here need to get some speed and you can grind those rails like this and get the score. As you can see, as you do the tricks, you get the score. You do flip tricks, you get then the flip tricks, and etc. So that's pretty much it. I showed you the beginning and you can continue on these tricks and complete the mission. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.